In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your clipboard history in Microsoft Word. Staying organized and maintaining clarity in your documents can sometimes be disrupted by a cluttered clipboard, so learning how to clear it can be incredibly useful. So let's dive into this simple yet very helpful process. First, let's start where it all begins. You'll want to have your Microsoft Word file open. This is your starting point, and from here, we'll work through the steps needed to clear that list of items you've copied. If you don't already have your document open, go ahead and do so now. Whether you're working on a new project or editing an existing one, managing what's on your clipboard is beneficial in reducing unnecessary clutter. Once your Word document is open, you need to locate the Clipboard drop-down menu. This will be found under the Home tab. If you take a look around this area on the top of your Word document, you'll see several groups like font, paragraph, and styles. Among these, you'll spot a group labeled Clipboard. Keep an eye out for a small icon representing the clipboard function. It's usually to the left side of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open a dialog box. It's from here that all your clipboard history items, perhaps text or images you've copied in succession, are displayed. Now with the dialog box open, you should see a list of all the items you've recently copied. This function is convenient for retrieving specific text you may want to use in different places of your work or across multiple documents. However, too many items can crowd this space, and that's when clearing it becomes necessary. If you're ready to clear away this history to make room for new items or just to tidy up, the process is seamless. Within that dialog box, you'll see an option labeled Clear All. Clicking this will remove all items from your clipboard history, leaving it clean and ready for fresh entries. Finally, having completed these steps, you've now effectively cleared your clipboard in Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward process, but one that can greatly enhance your workflow and keep your project clean and organized. Remember, maintaining a clear clipboard is as critical as keeping your workspace tidy. It's all part of creating an efficient work process. And that's it. Those are the step-by-step instructions for managing your clipboard in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this guide useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep your workspace organized and keep creating.